Daniel Hahn recently posted that Unsloth was now available on Windows. So I spent the last weekend installing it on my Windows machine. The process is straightforward and involves setting up a Visual Studio Community Edition and adding some additional components. Unsloth requires CUDA and PyTorch to be installed, but to run it directly on Windows I need to install Triton. Let's move to the specific fork on GitHub. For this specific Windows fork to work, we require PyTorch greater than version 2.4 and CUDA greater than version 12. Since the release of Post 13, a simple pip install will work. I have created a Python environment, and after the VS redistributable is installed, I will locally install a compatible PyTorch version. After installing Triton Windows, let's go back to the Unsloth documentation page and install Unsloth for Windows. But first let's check if Triton for Windows was installed correctly. We do this by running a sample program which performs a simple matrix calculation. We use Triton because it gives us the flexibility of using Python for CUDA programming. A Triton kernel is used to read two numbers from tensors, add them and store them in a third tensor. The PyTorch function is like a manager and wraps around the Triton GPU kernel. When we run the program, we see that it provides us the output of the addition. This tells us that the package is correctly installed, and we can move on to some more serious stuff. After installing Unsloth for Windows, we can check the available Colab notebooks and plan the fine-tuning of a small language model.